Sutra recitation will be tomorrow. So we have completed the Sarveshwara Sandhi, all of them. The next is the Vishnu Jana Sandhis. I hope you did the worksheet given in the appendix, which I mentioned the last time. So Vishnu Daso, Vishnu Padante, Hari Ghoshe, Cha Hari Gada. So Vishnu Jana Sandhis mean when the change is to happen in a consonant in the Vishnu Jana. So a Vishnu Dasa at the end of a Vishnu Pada becomes a Hari Gada. Okay, the rule is simple here. If we have a word which is a Vishnu Pada, we studied what is a Vishnu Pada. So if we have a Vishnu Pada at the end of which we have a Vishnu Dasa. What is a Vishnu Dasa?
First four Vargas, Ka,
Not
Hari,
the Vargas.
no, sorry, not Varga. Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, Hari Gada, and Hari Ghosha.
Okay. So if we have a Vishnu Pada ending with a Vishnu Dasa, then the rule is simple. Then that Vishnu Dasa becomes Sa Vargiya third letter. So that Vishnu Dasa becomes Savargiya, in simple words, Harigada. It becomes the Harigada of its own Varga. For example, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad ends with Ta. Ta is a Vishnu Dasa. Ta is a Vishnu Dasa. So this Vishnu Dasa Ta, by this rule, turns into the Harigada of its own Varga. So what is the Harigada of Ta? What is the Harigada of Ta Rama?
The.
It is the. So it will become Bhagavad Gita. Vak Achyutasya. Another example. So we have Vak ending with Ka. Is Ka Vishnu Dasa? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, it is. So Ka will become the Harigada of its own Varga. So that will be
Ga.
Ga. So Vag Achyutasya. So that's all. That was rule 61. So, so there is also a second part to this sutra that will be explained later. So here is the first part. Even Jiva Goswami says that the second part will be discussed later with examples. So if we have a Vishnu Pada ending with a Vishnu Dasa, so that Vishnu Dasa turns into Harigada of its own Varga. So of its own Varga in Sanskrit we call them Savarga or Savargiya. Savarga means Saman Varga, the same Varga. So that in Sanskrit is called Savarga. And Savargiya means belonging to the same Varga. Okay, in Sanskrit. 62. He gives a few examples. You can go through them afterwards. Hari Venu Harivenur Va. Now the sutra says if we have a Vishnu pada ending with a Vishnu das again, you know, a word ending with a Vishnu das. So now, if that Vishnu dasa is followed by a Hari Venu, what is a Hari Venu?
Nga, nya, na, na,
Jnana.
ma.
Hari Venamaha. Okay. So if we have a Vishnu dasa followed by any Hari Venu, then the rule is that optionally the Vishnu dasa will become the Hari Venu savarga of its own varga. It will become the Hari Venu of its own varga, but optionally. For example, Jagat Natha. So Jagat is a word ending with ta. Ta is a Vishnu dasa. And then the following is a na, which is a Hari Venu. Na is a Hari Venu. Mangya na nama. So this ta, Vishnu dasa, becomes Hari Venu of its own varga. So what is the Hari Venu of, what will be the Hari Venu here?
Na.
Na.
No.
So that will be ta, tha, the na. It will become Jagan Natha. So this is an optional rule. So once we apply this, we turn it into the Hari Venu. And once we apply the previous rule, so ta becomes the Hari Gada. So Jagad Natha. Jagannatha, Jagadnatha. Another example, Manmana Bhava Mad Bhakto, that verse. So Mat Manaha. So Mat Manaha. So we have Ta, a Vishnu Dasa, followed by a Hari Venu, Ma. So this Ta becomes Hari Venu of its own Varga. So that is Ta Tha Ta Dha Na. So optionally, so Man Manaha. And optionally, Ta becomes Hari Gada. So Ta Tha Da. Mad Manaha. Like that. So if you check Bhagavad Gita, you'll see this. In synonyms, you will see that is ta, and in the verse it is na. Man manaha. Okay. Few more examples. Yeah. Krishna gup nyungu mein. So pa becomes ma. Krishna gum nyungu mein, and optionally pa becomes ba. Krishna gup nyungu mein. Then 63. Yadav matre harikamalam. If again we have a word ending with the Vishnu Dasa, and if a Yadava is following, if a word ending with Vishnu Dasa and there is a Yadava following, then the Vishnu Dasa will become a Hari Kamala. What are the Hari Kamalas?
Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. Hari Kamala.
Kachatatapa Hari Kamalani. So Vishnu Dasa becomes the Hari Kamala. Uh, for example, Krishnat Param Kimapi Tattvam Aham Na Jane. Krishnat Param. Two words. Okay. So Krishnat Param. Krishnat ends with Ta. Ta is a Vishnu Dasa. Ta is a Vishnu Dasa, right? And the following letter Pa is a Yadava. What is Yadava? What is the definition?
Yadava is Hari Kamala, uh,
Hari Khadga.
Hari Khadga, and Hari uh,
Shasa. Shauris.
Shasasa, Shauri.
Okay. So Pa is a Yadava, right? Because it is a Hari Kamala. So by this rule, a Vishnu Dasa when followed by a Yadava, so Vishnu Dasa becomes a Hari Kamala. So ta is already a Hari Kamala, right? Ta is already a Hari Kamala, so it will remain a Hari Kamala. So Krishnat Param. So basically, this 63rd rule number is a prohibition of 61. So to stop the letter from becoming a Harigada. Otherwise, if this rule was not there, ta would have become the by 61. So 63rd is a prohibitive sutra, prohibition sutra, you can say. Nisheda or Pratisheda sutra, in a sense. Krishnat Param. Similarly, let's say Tad, Tad, Te, something like this. So Tad, Te, the is a Vishnu Dasa, and the following Ta is a Yadava. So the becomes Hari Kamala. So that will be Tat, the, Tat, Te, ityadi. Example Jiva Goswami gave is Vak Krishnasya. So Vak Krishnasya. Ka, the first Ka is a Vishnu Dasa, the second Ka is a Yadava. So the first Ka remains a Hari Kamala. Vak Krishnasya. Okay. ततः षष्ठो वा. ततः षष्ठो va. This sutra explains if there is a word ending with a Vishnu Dasa again, and if there is Sharama following, Sharama following. So then that Sh becomes Cha, but optionally. Sh will become Cha optionally. For example, Suvak Shaurihi. Suvak Shaurihi. So Ka is a Vishnu Dasa, right? And the following letter is Sh. So this Sh optionally becomes Ch. So one time it remains the same, and another time it becomes this. Suvak Chaurihi. Suvak Chaurihi. Similarly, other examples are also there. Up Shai. So Pa is Vishnu Das, Sh is following. So Sh becomes Ch optionally. So up Chai or up Shai. So that was Tataha Shashchova. Okay. These sandhis are all to be seen in the scriptures. Because anyhow, this is not the Brihatari Namamrita. This is Madhyama. So they have chosen the main, like the prominent ones only. Okay. Ho Hari Ghosha, Sutra 65. Her Rama that comes after Vishnu Das optionally becomes a Hari Ghosha. Okay, so this sutra says if there is a Vishnu Dasa and there is her Rama following, then that her optionally becomes the Hari Ghosha. Who's Hari Ghosha? Because her does not belong to any Varga, right? Her Rama does not belong to any Varga. So whose Hari Ghosha will it become? So it will become Hari Ghosha as per the previous letter's Varga. Because the previous letter is a Vishnu Dasa. For example, Sakshat Haritvena. Sakshat Haritvena. So we have Ta and then we have her. So Ta is also a Vishnu Dasa. But first of all, we will apply Sutra 61 here. Vishnu Daso Vishnu Padante Hari Ghosha Cha Harigada. And by that, Ta will become the. So Sakshad Haritvena. So that is step one. Ta becomes the because nothing is stopping that. See, Ha is not a Harivenu. So we can't apply 62. Ha is not a Yadava, so it is not stopping the from becoming the, right? So we will apply 61. Vishnu Dasa, Vishnu Padante, Hari Ghoshicha, Hari Gada. So that is step one, Sakshad, the, and Haritvena. So the is also a Vishnu Dasa. Now we apply this rule. So after this Vishnu Dasa, the, her will become Hari Ghosha of this letter. So what is the Hari Ghosha of the? The Varga belonging to the. So that is the and dha.
Dha.
Dha. It will become Sakshad Dharitvena. And this is what we sing also, in Gurvashtakam. Sakshad Dharitvena. Um, this is also a very common sandhi. Tat Hita. This is one of the chapters in Harinamamrita Vyakaranam. Tat Hita. So what will happen first? The first ta will become Harikada. So tad hita. And then ha will become dha. So tad dhita. So this is the seventh chapter, the last chapter. Tad dhita in Harinamamrita Vyakaranam. So you will also see this sandhi a lot. Yeah, this is used a lot. So ho Hari Ghosha. So Vishnudasa Vishnudate Hari Ghosha Harigada, Harivenurva, Yadav Matra Hari Kamalam, Tata Shishtova, and Ho Hari Ghosha. Okay, any doubts till here? Anything? They're simple, just need some practice. Uh,
Sometimes rule apply to a earlier varga or a varna, and sometimes the rule applies for the uh, next one. Like in this, her is changed, and in
mhm,
earlier one, the Vishnu Dasa is changed. So,
mhm.
my question is correct? I don't know, but which letter is going to change or varna? The earlier one or the next one? That is not mentioned in the sutra.
Okay, so the thing is, so let's say, this is the Sandhi, right? And we have two words here, Sakshad and Haritvena. Mm, so we go into this direction. So what comes first here, you know, uh, that is Antaranga. And what comes afterwards is Bahiranga. Antaranga and Bahiranga. Near and far, you can say like that. So there is a maxim which was mentioned previously. Antaranga Bahiranga Yor Antaranga Vidhi Balwan. That if, for example, in Sakshat Haritvena, we changed the ta first and then we worked on the later Varna ha. Why? Because if there are two operations which could be done, like here, this one and this one. So we work on the Antaranga Vidhi first. Antaranga means which comes first in this direction. Got it? So this is the answer for your question. Antaranga, and if you want to look into this maxim, so Idvameva Yaha Sarveshware, Sutra 50, 50. So in the vritti of that sutra, you will find this maxim. You can read that. Okay, so we go into this direction. So this Antaranga, and then the second whatever follows is Bahiranga. So we do the Antaranga Vidhi first and the Bahiranga Vidhi second.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
The next sutra, Datau. Okay, there are so many examples given here. So you all please go through them for Ho Hari Ghosha. Datau Paravarnam Lachata Vargeshu Nityam. Now, this sutra says if we have the or the at the first place, either of them, followed by either la Rama, any letter from cha varga or any letter from ta varga. Okay. The question is this: if we have the or the at the first place, followed by any letter from cha varga, ta varga, or the la rama, then what will happen is the or the will become the same as the following letter. It will become the same as the following letter. For example, tat leen. So it will become tat has ta and leen begins with la. So ta will become la. So talleen. Talleen. Krishnat cha. So ta followed by a cha. So ta becomes cha. So Krishna cha. You will see this sutra also used a lot. Then Jiva Goswami gives an example. Yeah, this one. Kansajit chadayati. Now, Kansajit chadayati, please pay attention. Jit ends with ta, chadayati begins with cha. Now, ta becomes cha. But there is still a scope of another sutra which could be applied. So, see, in Sanskrit, in Sandhis, it's not that we just apply one sutra only. Wherever, how much ever the scope is, we apply those many sutras. So when we have converted the into cha by this rule, so we have cha and then cha following. So the first cha is a Vishnu Dasa, right? The first cha is a Vishnu Dasa and the second cha is a Yadava. So we apply Yadav Matre Harikamalam, Sutra 63. Yadav Matre Harikamalam, Sutra 63. So this Vishnu Dasa cha becomes what? It becomes Harikamala. So it becomes cha. So we get Kansajit Chadayati. Okay. That was it. And then other sutras, other examples are there. So Dato Paravarno, Lachata Vargeshu, Nityam. Okay. Taschashe, Taschashe, Tarama becomes Charama when Sharama follows. Okay, when we read these translations, it becomes a little confusing. This becomes this. So I try to put things in equation. So if we have Ta Rama at the first place, followed by Sha Rama at the second place. So Tash Cha She. So what happens? Ta becomes Cha. Ta becomes Cha. So let's say Tat Tat Shaurehe. Tat Shaurehe. So by this rule, Tat Shaurehe Ta and Sha is following. Okay, now one thing here is that Ta is a Vishnu Dasa and Sha is a Yadava. So 61 can't be applied here. We can't turn ta into Harigata, right? Because Yadav is there. So we apply Yadav Matre Harikamalam. Ta remains a ta. Then second, by this rule, this ta changes into cha. So touch, shaure. We are not done yet. Touch, shaure. Okay. Then we apply Sutra 64. Tatah Shashchova. What was Tatah Shashchova? What did that mean? After Vishnu Dasa, if there is Sha, so that Sha will optionally become Cha. So one answer is this, and another is Sha becomes Cha. So touch Chaure. I'll give another example for this. Hrit Shaya. I think I gave it. No, I gave it to another devotee. Hrit Shaya. This is in Bhagavatam. So Hrit Shaya, Ta and Sha. So Ta becomes Cha, and once Sha remains Sha, and another time Sha becomes Cha. By that 64th. So we get Hrit Shaya. So Hrit Shaya is a compound which means something which is lying down or sleeping within the heart. So it refers to Paramatma, Super Soul, who is within us, and it also refers to the anarthas, Kam, Krodh, Ityadi, which are also within us. So in Bhagavatam, this word Hrichya is used a lot. Similarly, let's say Tat, um, Shakti. So what will be the answer here? You can, it will be,
Tat Shakti.
yeah, Tat, Shakti. Simple. Okay. So that is Tascha She. Tascha She. Okay. One more sutra for today and then we'll stop. In the Brihad, this 68 is actually divided into three different sutras, but they have clubbed because they are all like same nature. Noantash chachayo sharamaha, tathayo sharamaha, tathayo saramaha, Vishnu chakra purvo, Vishnu chapa purvo va. The sutra, so there are three parts to it. If we have na rama at the first place, followed by cha or cha rama, then na rama will become talapesha preceded by Vishnu Chakra. For example, Bhagavan, let's say Chalati. Bhagavan Chalati. So we have Na followed by Cha. So Na will become Anuswar, Vishnu Chakra and Sha. So Bhagavan Chalati. For example, in Vandeham Shri Guruh Shri Uttapada Kamalam, Shri Gurun Vaishnavangscha. Vaishnavangscha. So there this sandhi is used. Vaishnavan Cha. So these are the two words, Vaishnavan Cha. So Na followed by Cha. So yeah. So it becomes, I'm sorry. So it becomes Vaishnavang Cha by this rule. And that's how we pronounce also Vaishnavangshta. Similarly, when Cha follows, the same rule will be applied. Na will become this Anuswar Vishnu Chakra plus Sha.
In fire.
I'm sorry.
Just inquiring, you just put a Televia shop just now in Bhagavatas.
Okay, okay. Then the second part of this rule is if we have na followed by ta or tha, either of them, then na will become Vishnu Chakra followed by the Murdhanya Sha. For example, Bhagavan, something like, let's say, um, Tikayate. So, Bhagavan Tikayate. Bhagavan Tikayate. Similarly, when tha follows, the same change. Okay. Then, the third part of this rule, when na is there, followed by either tha or tha, then na will turn into Vishnu Chakra and dental sa, Dantyasa. So dhyayan stuvang stasya. Stuvan tasya. So na followed by ta, so it becomes stuvangs tasya, and we also chant it like that. Stuvangs tasya. Similarly, when tha follows, the same change. Okay, so that's all for today. 8 sutras. Okay, anything here? See, for sandhis, you will need to practice a lot. Um, and the best is Prabhupada Bhagavatam, the best way. I practiced my sandhis there. Like I didn't have worksheets. My Guruji would teach on slate, slate and the chalk, and just 5-10 minutes, and very fast he would teach. So I would come back, spend a lot of time understanding. And I practiced my sandhis, honestly, from Prabhupada's Bhagavatam. Because I would go to the verse, try to do the sandhis myself, split up the sandhi vichhed, and I would cross check in the synonyms. Very simple. No need to ask, go somewhere else. So, yeah, so please, uh, you have already completed Sarveshwara Sandhis, you have done half of the Vishnujana Sandhis here. So, why not? So, pick up verses uh, and yeah, just go on doing Sandhis, splitting up Sandhis. It will be fun also. Very nice. Let's try to do some. Uh, okay, I got this new system here. This is Windows 11. In my previous system, I had Vedabase, the offline one, Bhaktivedanta Vedabase. But in this new one, I'm not able to set up. So if anyone of you know how to do, you can let me know. Will be of help. Okay, so let's do some Sandhi practice from Prabhupada's books. Okay, tell me any canto, random.
Fifth.
Fifth. I was thinking of that. Chapter, any random chapter. We have 26 chapters. Give me a number. Just any.
12.
12. Okay, so here we go. We'll take verse by verse. रघुगण उवाच नमो नमः कारणविग्रहाय स्वरूपतुच्छीकृतविग्रहाय नमो वधूत द्विजबन्धुलिंग निगूढ़ नित्यानुभवाय तुभ्यम. So first of all, when you're reading verses, when you're reading Sanskrit, uh, generally what we do, what people in general do, they read Sanskrit, uh, and I would say, with a spaced out mind, because they think that they do not understand Sanskrit. So they do not put their energy, trying to read carefully. So they just read like a mechanical reading. So we should read properly, because when we read properly, we will be able to figure out separate words. For example, Rahugana, Uvacha, Namo Namah, Karana Vigrahaya. So Karana is one word, Vigrahaya is another word, in that way. Because all of us being Indians, we have that foundation already. So it's very easy. Okay. So the Sandhis, what do you think the Sandhis are there, which we have done? And then separate those words, split up Sandhis. I can see few, two I can see at least.
Yeah.
Uh,
Tuchikruta.
no, that's not a Sandhi.
Namo Vadhuta.
Namo Vadhuta. So what are the two words?
Namaha
Namo
Avadhuta.
Avadhuta.
So which sutra is applied here?
Eobhyamasya
Okay, that is applied
Paro
afterwards. What is
Vishnu
applied
Padante.
before? What is
Ad,
applied for?
Advayam.
Okay.
Uh,
Adaramam Gopalyorur Nityam. Okay, sorry. We have not done that. Okay, the Vishnu Sarga Sandhis are to be done. I actually taught Sandhis recently to someone else, so I'm confusing uh, you to be them. So, okay, Eobhyamasya Hara Vishnu Padante, so Namo and Avadhuta. Okay, second Sandhi, which you think you have done here? I can see one more.
निगूढनित्यानुभवाय
Okay, so what is the Sandhi?
निगूढ नित्य अनुभवाय
Right, Nitya plus Anubhavaya. So this is Dashavatare Militva Trivikrama, right? Nitya and Anubhavaya. Okay. Then Jwara ज्वरमयार्तस्य यथा गदं सत् निदाघदग्धस्य यथा हिमाम्भः कुदेहमाना हि विदष्टदृष्टेः ब्रह्मन् वचस्ते मृतम् औषधं मे. Okay, what do you think the sandhis? I can see, yeah, I can see few.
हिमाम्बः
Okay, himambah, what are the two words?
हिम अम्बः
Right, hima and ambah. So, ambha means water, like, ambhasi, ambah, and hima means it could be Himalaya or it could be referring to uh, hima means, you know, yeah, hima is also baraf, what do you say, but ice, hima, himkarna, we say himkarna. So, okay, hima and amba. You see, Prabhupada has segregated them. Okay, what are the other,
Yes.
any other sandhi here?
वचस्ते मृतम औषधम वचः अस्ते अमृतम औषधम
Okay, so vachaste we have not done yet, so leave it. So te amritam. Again, eobhyamasya haro Vishnu Padante. Te amritam. Um, okay, one more I can see here. Let me see if you can figure that out. Two more actually, two more. No, three more, sorry, three more. Haha.
ज्वरामयातस्य
So what are the two words here?
ज- ज्वराम् अयार्तस्य
No, no, no. I mean, partially yes, partially no. So the first
ज्वर
word is okay, so it also says Jwar, Amaya, and Ardasya. I was personally thinking this to be Jwaramaya, but Amaya is different here. So Jwara, Amaya, and Artasya. So two sandhis here. Dashavatare Katmagi. So Jwara, Amaya, Artasya. I was thinking this, taking this Maya to be like, like we say Krishna Maya, that Maya in that sense. But this is Amaya. Okay. Any other sandhi?
यथा गदम
It is
यथ
Agadam.
and
Agadam. Agada means poison. Yatha plus Agadam.
yeah, yeah.
Dashavatare. Agada means poison. Medicine, it says. I heard Agadam to be poison. Anyhow, anyone like any more sandhis? I can see one more which you have done.
निदाग
Nidagha
निदाग
is one word. Nidagha is one word. So one more is this man ahi.
मानान्
Man ahi. So ahi refers to serpent. Ahi. And man, we know man is man, pride. So this is again the Dashavatare Militva. You see, I mean, it will take some time because as we read more and more, the vocabulary is actually important here, unless we know the words. So that's why we should all have a dictionary set up with us so that we can quickly go look into the words, do some R&D. Correct? Mhm. Okay. तस्माद् भवन्तं मम संशयार्थं प्रक्ष्यामि पश्चादधुना सुबोधम् अध्यात्मयोगग्रथितं तवोक्तमाख्याहि कौतूहल चेतसो मे. Okay. Any sandhis here?
Samsayartham.
So what are the two words?
Tasmad.
Artham.
Okay. Sanshaya artham. Very nice.
Yeah. Prakshami.
Uh, Prakshami, there is no sandhi there. It's one word.
Tasmad Bhavantam.
One side. Tasmad.
Bhavantam.
So what are the two words?
Tasmat.
Tasmad Bhavantam.
And what is the sandhi applied?
The
Sasura.
I'm sorry.
Sutra.
Sas.
I mean, you said the right thing. I just want to know the sutra.
Sasava.
No, 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 no. This is the first sutra of today. Vishnu Daso Vishnu Padante Hari Ghosha Harigada. Because ta became da, na? So that is the third letter, Harigada. Okay. What anything else here?
Paschadadhuna.
So what are the two words? Like
Paschat
right.
Aduna.
Same thing here. This da is actually ta, and the same rule, 61, ta became the. This is very common. This turning into Harigada thing. Okay, what else?
Is it Adhyatma? Yeah.
Actually, you are right. Adhi and Atma becomes Adhyatma, so Idvameva ya Sarveshware. Yeah. Okay. Adhi and Atma, Adhyatma. What else?
Tavokta.
Okay. Tava Uktam becomes Tavoktam by Udvay O, like Purusha Uttama, Purushottama. Okay. Anything else? Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah. Okay, one more verse. Let's do one more verse. यदाह योगेश्वर दृश्यमानं क्रियाफलं सद् विहारमूलम् न ह्यङ्जसा तत्त्वविमर्शनाय भवानमुष्मिन् भ्रमते मनो मे. Okay.
Yadaha.
Aha.
Okay.
Aha.
Same sandhi. Ta became the 61. What else?
Jhanjasa.
Janjasa.
He
Okay, Hyang Jasa. What is there in Hyang Jasa?
Anjasa.
Okay, he Anjasa idvameva yah
Idvayameva
sarveshware.
yasarvesh.
Okay, what else?
Bhavanamushmin.
There is no sandhi there. Bhavanamushmin.
Tad vyavahara. Tat.
Yeah, okay, Sadvyavahara, nice. So there is a Sat, Ta became the. Okay, what else? I can see one more.
Yogeshwara.
Yogeshwara.
Right. Yogeshwara. So this is Yoga plus Ishwara. Advai Midvai A. Parama Ishwara, Parameshwara, like that. Okay. When we will move ahead, we'll also learn prefixes. So this in Vyavahara, this VY, this is Idvameva Yasarveshwara applied. So this is V and I. So this is a prefix. Anyhow, we don't know yet, so leave it. Ava is another prefix, and this is like the word, connect the dhatu or the word. Let's do one more verse. Sandhis are very nice, I mean. Oh, 5 and 6 together. Hmm. Okay, Brahmana Vacha अयं जनो नाम चलं पृथिव्यां यः पार्थिवः कस्य हेतुः तस्यापि चाङ्घ्र्योरधि गुल्फजङ्घा जानूरु. Okay, this is a good verse. Madhyor Shirodharanksha. Okay, let's do the first one first.
तस्यापि
तस्यापि
Tasyapi. Okay,
तस्
tasya and api. Okay.
च अनुगृह्य
I'm sorry.
च अनुगृह्य
Okay, so cha and angryor. Dashavatare. Cha and angryor. Nice. What else?
जानूरु
Okay, nice. Janu and uru, two words. What else?
शिरोधरम् अंशः अंशः शिरो
Okay, nice. Shirodhara and Anshah, Dashavatare. One more sandhi I can see here. First verse.
पार्थिव
No. Madhya and Ura. This O. Madhya. Ura means chest. Urasi. Urasi, Vakshastal. That is Ura. So, Madhya plus Ura becomes Madhyura. Okay. The second verse. अंशेधि दार्वी शिविका च यस्यां सौवीरराजित्यपदेश आस्ते यस्मिन् भवान् रूढनिजाभिमानो राजास्म सिन्धुष्विति दुर्मदान्धः.
निज अभिमानो
Okay, निज अभिमानः दशावतारकात्मके.
दुर्मदा अन्धः
दुर्मद अंधः. Okay, again दशावतारकात्मके.
सिन्धुष्व
So yeah, what are the two words?
राजा अस्मि
Okay, Raja Asmi Dashavatare. Nice. And Sindhusha, this Sindhushviti, what are the two words?
सिन्धुः
No, 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 no. This is va. Try think of some Sarveshwara Sandhi.
उद्वयं वा
Udvaim vaha.
हम्म,
So this will be the word is
सिन्धुषु
Sindhushu. Nice. Sindhushu iti. U followed by Sarveshwara, so U becomes va. Like Guru Ashtakam. What else in this one?
यस्य
अम्
No, no, no. That is one word. This is one word.
अंसेधि
Angshe adhi. Eyobhyamasya hara Vishnudante. What else? One more I can see.
राज्यत्ते no,
No,
अपदेशास्ते
no, no. S-
यस्यायं
Yes, yeah. No, no, that is one word. Okay, so last one here is this. Raja iti. Raja and iti. So Raja and E, Advai Vidvai A. So this A is there. And then Idvai Eva Ya Sarveshwari, E became Ya. Raja and iti. Okay. So nice practice. So in this way, if you practice in this way, this this is actually the purpose also of our studies. So it will be the best practice. And then you can also check here, like see. Uh, yeah, see Raja iti, Raja asmi, Sindhushu. Very easy to cross check. Durmada andha ityadi ityadi. Janu uru. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow. And I'll also listen to the sutras. I think 18, 19 sutras, whatever were given. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, brother. Thank you so much.
Hare Bol, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you,